I know to get the car out of there.
How'd your vehicle get like that?
I like backed up too far and I was
No,
like...
not in the ditch. I'm talking about the front.
What do you mean?
The front of your vehicle? You see how the bumper's gone?
So the... I didn't hit anything, I promise. No, I'm fine. I legitimately didn't hit anything. It wasn't on here. It was already like that before.
Your car was already like that?
It was. It legitimate was.
It's
I swear to God,
leaking
I'm a
fluid on
mother.
the ground.
No, it was already like that. I'm not lying. I swear to God. I haven't drank in 2 weeks.
Well, it's funny you mentioned that because you definitely have an odor of alcoholic beverage emanating from your breath. So it's funny you say that.
I had one drink, but I haven't.
I thought you just said you didn't drink in 2 weeks.
I haven't drank in 2 weeks, like heavily drink, like I used to before. But normally I would be the passenger princess. Thanks.
So all I want you to do is at the tip there, just put your right foot directly behind your left, touching heel to toe, and put your arms down by your side. Your left foot in front of your right. Alright, Pearly, you're good. Alright, do me a favor, turn around, face the car for me.
Am I getting arrested?
Put your hands behind your back, okay?
I don't want to be popped up.